how to get more offers on Amazon Flex. First, you want to understand how Amazon Flex works. Your offers are based on your location, availability, your delivery history and performance. It's not random. The more active and reliable you are, the more offers you will get. So what you can do is be active and consistent, accept and complete blocks regularly, finish deliveries on time and follow instructions, and keep a high rating to stay in good standing. Refresh the app often, open and refresh the app frequently, especially during 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. The best days are Thursdays to Sundays. There's more demand. Turn on notifications. Make sure you enable notifications for new offers. Also allow location access at all times. Amazon uses this to prioritize offers. Be near a delivery station. You can go near an Amazon warehouse or pickup location. Being close increases the chance of real-time offers called instant offers. Use the calendar feature. Set your availability in advance. Amazon Flex gives priority to drivers who schedule ahead of time. Avoid cancellations and late arrivals. Canceling last minute or being late can reduce your offer priority. Too many issues offer or equal fewer blocks. And if you're not seeing anything, if you haven't seen anything for days, then you can contact support and say something like, "Hi, I've been active but not receiving any blocks. Is there an issue with my account or region?" Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.